Stabilizer bar disconnect systems are advanced off-road technologies that enhance vehicle performance on challenging terrain by allowing greater wheel articulation and improved traction. A stabilizer bar, also called an anti-roll bar, is a metal bar that connects the left and right front wheels of a vehicle. In the connected state, it reduces body roll during cornering and provides stable on-road handling. When disconnected for off-road use, each front wheel can move independently. This dramatically increases wheel articulation, allowing better tire contact with uneven terrain and improved traction on rocks, hills, and obstacles. Current Toyota models feature advanced electronic disconnect systems. The 4Runner TRD Pro and Tacoma TRD Pro both include electronic stabilizer bar disconnect as standard equipment on their most capable off-road trims. The redesigned Tacoma TRD Pro also features this technology, allowing it to tackle challenging terrain with confidence. These systems integrate seamlessly with Toyota's Multi-Terrain Select for optimal off-road performance. The Land Cruiser takes a different approach with the Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, or KDSS. Rather than completely disconnecting the stabilizer bar, KDSS provides variable stiffness control for optimal performance in all conditions. Operating these systems is straightforward. The vehicle must be in forward low and moving under 5 miles per hour. Press the disconnect button, and the system takes about 30 seconds to fully disconnect the stabilizer bar. The system automatically reconnects when vehicle speed exceeds 18 miles per hour or when 4BD is disengaged, ensuring safe on-road operation. Dashboard indicators keep the driver informed of the system's status at all times. Stabilizer bar disconnect systems should be used strategically in specific off-road conditions where maximum wheel articulation and traction are essential. Rock crawling is the primary scenario where disconnect systems excel. The increased wheel articulation allows each tire to maintain contact with uneven rocky surfaces. Deep sand driving also benefits significantly from disconnect systems. The enhanced traction helps prevent getting stuck in loose sand conditions. Muddy and uneven terrain represents another ideal application. The system allows wheels to follow ground contours independently for maximum grip. However, there are critical situations where disconnect systems should never be used. Highway driving and high-speed operation require maximum stability. Proper maintenance ensures reliable operation of disconnect systems. Follow a structured maintenance schedule for optimal performance. Electrical connector corrosion is the most common maintenance issue. Regular cleaning prevents connection problems and system failures. Modern disconnect systems are highly reliable, with failure rates under 2% over 50,000 miles. Most issues are preventable through proper maintenance. Future disconnect systems will feature variable stiffness control and automatic terrain recognition, eliminating the need for manual operation while providing enhanced capability.